Deep in the English countryside stands a ring of colossal stones, older than the pyramids. For centuries, Stonehenge has defied explanation. Was it a portal to another realm, a calendar written in stone, or something far more mysterious? Tonight, we step into the shadows of history to uncover the truth. Rising from the Salisbury Plain, Stonehenge has puzzled humanity for centuries. Its story begins over 5,000 years ago, not as a stone circle, but as a simple earthwork. The monument we see today evolved over 1,500 years, a project of staggering multi-generational ambition. The scale is mind-boggling. The colossal sarsen stones, weighing up to 30 tons, were dragged 20 miles. Even more mysterious are the smaller bluestones, traced over 150 miles to the Preseli Hills in Wales. Without wheels or hard metal tools, generations of people hauled, shaped, and erected these monoliths in a stunning feat of collective will. This monumental effort begs the ultimate question: why go to such impossible lengths? One theory points to the sky. The structure is a precise astronomical observatory. On the summer solstice, the sun rises directly over the heelstone, bathing the inner circle in light. It was a celestial calendar, marking the turning of the seasons, vital for ancient communities to know when to plant and harvest. But its purpose may have been more spiritual. Discoveries of human remains suggest it was a vast burial ground for the elite, a place where the living met the realm of the ancestors. Some propose it was a center for healing. Perhaps it was all of these things: a clock, a temple, and a tomb. A place where people gathered not just to tell time, but to touch eternity. Imagine the summer solstice. For millennia, this moment has been the key to unlocking Stonehenge's purpose. As the first rays of dawn crest the horizon, they align perfectly with the outlying heelstone. The light pierces the heart of the monument, flooding the central altar stone with a sacred golden glow. Archaeologists believe thousands would gather here, standing in hushed awe. They witnessed a spectacle connecting their earthly lives to the heavens, a moment where the boundary between the physical world and the divine realm felt impossibly thin. For them, this wasn't just an astronomical event. It was a deeply spiritual ceremony, as if the stones themselves unlocked a cosmic doorway. Over centuries, this spiritual power has woven itself into folklore. Whispers of druids channeling energies here, of Stonehenge as a portal to other worlds. Later tales, popularized in the Middle Ages, even claimed the wizard Merlin magically transported the stones from Ireland, or that giants placed them. And yet, science reminds us of its practical genius. Stonehenge is a masterpiece of Neolithic engineering, a precise astronomical observatory. Its alignments mark not just the summer solstice sunrise, but the winter solstice sunset as well. For its builders, science and spirit were likely one and the same. The predictable cycle of the sun wasn't just a calendar, it was the rhythm of life itself. Could it have been both? A calendar for the living and a gateway for the soul? For centuries, we saw Stonehenge as a silent celestial clock. But a profound discovery has shifted our perspective. Beneath the surface, archaeologists unearthed a vast cemetery, with hundreds of burials encircling the monument, some even predating the great stones themselves. And these weren't just locals. Isotope analysis of tooth enamel, a kind of geological passport, reveals that many were elites who traveled from hundreds, even thousands of miles away, from mainland Europe and beyond. They undertook an immense journey to find their final resting place in this specific patch of earth. This raises the ultimate question: why? What magnetic pull did Stonehenge possess? Were they pilgrims, drawn to a sacred calendar where heaven and earth met? Or was it seen as a place of healing, a destination for the sick and injured seeking a miracle? Perhaps it was a portal to the afterlife, ensuring a spirit's safe passage. While modern technology struggles for a definitive answer, one thing is clear. Stonehenge wasn't just a monument. It was a final destination, a necropolis for the powerful, a testament to a shared belief that united people across vast distances. It was an idea so powerful, it was worth crossing a continent to be a part of, even in death. Stonehenge still stands, silent yet alive, whispering secrets across millennia. Was it a calendar, a portal, or both? Perhaps its power lies in its ability to be more than one thing, both science and spirit, time and eternity. And maybe that's the true mystery. Not what Stonehenge was, but why we are still drawn to it, searching for meaning in the stones. Mysteries like Stonehenge are just the beginning. Join us on this journey through forgotten history. Subscribe now.